Watch this. I type one messy sentence into this chat. Claude reads it, extracts out all the relevant details, and writes it into Google Sheets. Today, I'm going to show you how to connect n8n to Google Sheets with Claude in the middle in under 1 minute. It's just a few clicks, and you don't need to know how to code to put this together. Okay, you're going to need three things. Number one, an n8n account. Number two, a Google account. And number three, which is an API key from Anthropic. The first step is to set up the Google Sheet. So open up Google Sheets and create a new sheet. The first row is going to be your header. So you can put name, company, email, etc. The column names do matter. Claude is going to read them to know where to write all the relevant information. Let's set up a secure Google connection to your n8n that allows the n8n to write into Google Sheets and have access to any future Google Sheets you might add in the future. Number one, go to the Google Cloud Console. You're going to want to create a project here or just pick an existing project. And now we want to enable the resources that we're going to access through n8n, which is the Google Sheets API. Go ahead and click enable if it's not enabled already, and the Google Drive API. I've already enabled these. Next, we want to create the credentials that allow us to actually log in to Google. For that, go ahead and search up credentials. Click create credentials and create a new service account. This is going to be the account name for your n8n, so call it the n8n writer. Then skip the other two steps. Okay, give it a refresh. Click into that new n8n writer service account. And we're going to create a new key in JSON. Save it down. Now open it up. Now copy over this client email and the private key. And we're going to paste in those credentials into n8n. We'll switch over to n8n. Now create a credential with the Google service account we just created. This is where you're going to paste in that email and private key. Now you have a secure connection that allows n8n to write to your Google Sheet and to any other Google Sheets you might create in the future. Now go to your n8n dashboard and click Create Workflow. Set the trigger as when chat message is received. Now you add an AI agent. You start off by creating the brain. That's just an Anthropic chat model. Then you create a tool that's going to be the Google Sheets connection, which you can just set as append row. Then you pick your spreadsheet that you created before, and n8n pulls in all the column names from before. Now you've successfully connected your n8n to Google Sheets. Comment below with what you want to see me build next. And thank you for watching.